Hello, Kipsters. I hope you guys are doing well. This is probably going to be one of your final lessons. We are in the last, we have one more week of school. So I want you guys to finish off strong, do your best. If you guys need any help, let me know during office hours. And let's start tackling our problems. So today we're going to be multiplying, and we are going to be using standard algorithm and place value disks. So the first thing I'm going to do with my problem, 2,374 times 5, is set this up in standard algorithm. And I'm also going to be doing my place value disk chart. Now that I have that set up, I'm also going to separate my digits by their place value. Okay, and I'm going to go to the 10,000s just in case, because I know that 2 times 5 is 10, so that's going to go over. Awesome. Now, since we are multiplying 2,374 times 5, I'm going to represent 2,374 5 times in my place value chart, okay? And I'm just going to fast forward to that so we save time. So now that I represented my 2,374 5 times, now I can go ahead and start my multiplication, right? So whatever I do in my place value disks should represent my partial product. So let's go ahead and start. So if I take my 4 ones, and multiply them by 5, they would give me 20 ones. So I would put a 0 here and a 2 in my tens place, right? Because I have to bundle. Same thing goes here. Since I have my 21s right here, I have to bundle by tens. So 4, 8, 9, 10, I bundle these. Awesome. And those 10 ones become a 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bundle these and they become another 10. And then I have a remainder of 0 in my ones place, right? Just like I have 0 in my ones, and I added my 2 to my tens. Perfect. But it can still be 21s, right? Awesome. Let's move over to my tens place. So in my tens place, I have 7 tens times 5. Well, I know that 7 times 5 is 35. So I have 35 tens. So now I have to be careful here because we're not doing anything to my ones, right? Because 35 tens is written as 350. Let's look at our place value disks to know why. So right here we have our 35, right? And now what I'm going to do is bundle. So remember, I also added 2. So I have a total of what? Like 37, right? So let's go ahead and bundle first to see how many are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bundle those. 10 tens make 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bundle those. 10 tens make another 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 100. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have remainder 7. Right? So this is telling me that I have 7 tens in total in my tens place, which I do, because if I look at my tens so far, I have 2 plus 5, so I have 7. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and look at our hundreds. Let's see. Let's go ahead and bundle and see what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds make 1,000. We learned that in class, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have a remainder 8. And I had 10 hundreds make 1,000. So let's go ahead and check our hundreds here. Here in my hundreds, I had 3 hundreds times 5 hundreds, right? Yes, correct. So 3 hundredths times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15, but 15 hundredths would be written as, well, I can't put all the 15 in my hundreds place, right? So it would be written as 1,500. Awesome. Let's check if my number is right. Do I have a total of 8 left in my hundreds place? Yeah, 3 plus 5 is 8, right? So we're on the right track. And we bundled one and it went to the thousands. We bundled one and it went to the thousands. Now let's go ahead and do our thousands place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right, that I bundle. And they make 10 thousands make 1 10,000. And I have a remainder of 1. And I have 1 left here. Let's see this. 2 thousands times 5. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. And I can bundle those 10 thousands and make a 1 10,000, right? The rest are zeros. All right, now that I have my partial product, I can go ahead and add and see what it gets me all together. So we add these all together. All my zeros give me 0. 2 plus 5 gives me 7. 3 plus 5 gives me 8. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. And 1 by itself is 1. So my total answer ends up being 11,870, which is exactly what I got in my place value disc chart too. Awesome. Now you guys go ahead and practice on your student try. All right, Kipsters, so what I want you to do is go ahead and try this one on your own. Go ahead and set it up standard algorithm. And if you need help, go ahead and do a place value disc, which I will be showing right now in a minute. So go ahead and put pause. Okay, if you press play, that means that you are done trying it on your own and you are going to see if you got it right. Let's see. So you set it up standard algorithm. Perfect, right? And I'm going to show you that with a place value disc chart, you can help yourself make this a little bit easier. So what I did was I wrote down the number 3,082 9 times. And I'm going to be showing partial product here and then also here how we get the answer, okay? So let's go ahead and go. Alrighty. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my ones, my 2 ones by 9, and I know that 2 times 9 is 18, but I can't put all my 18 ones under my ones, right? So what I'm going to do is bundle, and it's going to make 110. So I have 18 ones right there. Awesome. Now, next one I'm going to do is my place value discs. So in my ones place, I have 18. So I bundle my 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They make 110. And I have 8 left over, right? Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and do my tens place. So in my tens place, I know that 8 times 9 is 72, but 72 tens don't fit in my tens place, so I'm going to put a 2 here and bundle that, and this is 0. Now, I know that the total amount in my tens place is 1 plus 2, 3 so far, right? All right, so I'm gonna bundle as many tens as I can, and to save time, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward. Alrighty, so after bundling all these, I am left with 3 tens. So I put my remainder 3 down there. All right, moving on over here. We are moving on to my, let's see, I did my ones, my tens. Now it's time for my hundreds. So I have 0 hundredths times 9, which is, of course, 0, right? Then I have my thousands. Oh, and since it's 0, then we're left with the amount that was already in the hundreds. So if I count my hundreds, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I put my remainder 7 there. And then I have 3 thousands times 9. And I know that 3 times 9 is 27, but I can't put 27 in my thousands place, so I'm going to put it, wrong place. Gotta be very careful. A 7, right? The rest are zeros. And my 2 in my 10 thousandths place. Awesome. Let's see if that's right. So I have 3, 6, 9, 10. Bundle those. They make a 1 10,000. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Bundle those. They make another 10,000. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remainder 7 and remainder 2. My answer is 27,738. Now, here I can see my answer by seeing the partial product. So in other words, if I add all the ones that I got, all the tens, all the hundreds, and all the thousands, and the 10,000s, right? We would get, what's 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0? 8. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 by itself is 7, and 2 by itself is 2. So we get the exact same answer. Awesome.